everybody, welcome back again. Today we have a video for you, briefly concentrating on the material choice with a plain bearing. We have 7 materials to discuss with you, and we start off with composite. Composite is known for its low friction and low wear, and it can resist very high loads. It also has marine certificates like Germanische Lloyd or American Bureau of Shipping or Det Norsk Veritas. It doesn't produce much sound or vibration, and it's very good chemical resistant and is also low weight. It has a low weight. So this is composite. Let's go to the polymers.
Yes, polymers, very lightweight also, but another big advantage is they are mostly injection molded, so we can achieve very large production batches. We have large stock. They can be injection molded, but they can also be 3D printed and machined. So we have 3 production methods for these materials. We have a lot of materials, but all of them share the same typical advantages. They are dirt resistant, they are lightweight, we do not have any corrosion. They are isolating, but can also be conductive for some special applications. The sizes, they can vary a lot, starting from even 1 millimeter in diameter up to about 150 at the moment.
I have one addition, because those plastic polymer bearings are also suitable to use in environmentals where you produce food. They are FDA approved and EN 10 2011 approved for Europe. That's very easy and very handy to know. The next one is sintered bronze, and sintered bronze is actually a material which is filled with oil. So it's a material which can resist very high speeds. It's very accurate, it has a low clearance and a very large standard range stocked also, so it's easy to order. It's compact and it's very silent. So let's go to the next one. Yes.
Next one is casted bronze. Bronze can be casted into tubes, bar, can be sand casted or centrifugally casted. From these castings we machine them, which due to the machining we can achieve very high precision. High precision results in low clearance, low wear. You do need to lubricate most of these alloys. However, should you forget to lubricate once, most of the alloys have very good emergency running properties.
We have another one with bronze, but this time with graphite dots as a lubrication. So they are self-lubricating, they are suitable for seawater applications, and they can withstand high temperatures. That's a very high and a good advantage, to be honest. And there are wear plates or sliding plates available in the same construction.
The next one is another self-lubricating material. However, this is a sintered product. It is not impregnated, but there is a solid lubricant which is embedded into the metal powder. So due to that fact, the loads are very high. They self-lubricate. It has mostly graphite in it, which you can actually see if you move your finger on the part. You can actually feel the graphite already. It's also in different alloys available for different environments like offshore, seawater. It can get to very high temperatures, even up to 650 degrees.
Well, the next one, and the last one, the 7th one, is a steel alloy as a bearing material. This can withstand really extreme high loads, up to 600 megapascal. It's very good wear resistant, and it's also shock resistant. So the lubrication interval, because you have to lubricate this one, is wide, it's long, it's more than 1,000 hours, and that's exceptional for this type of bearing. So this is the 7th, this is the last one. Thanks for watching, again, I hope. And if you want to know a little bit more about our products, just go to our website or subscribe to our YouTube channel. You're more than welcome. See you next time.
Thank you for watching. See you next time.